Here I have Wiko View 2 Pro, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is the nightlight. Let's go to settings and then choose display. Here we have the nightlight. We can turn it on. For example, choose the intensity, and as you can see, the nightlight is basically just the blue light filter. Okay, let's go back and let's go to the second feature, which is the ambient display. Let's scroll down, and here we have the ambient display. We can turn it on, and now on our wake screen we will receive some notification, for example date and hour. Okay, let's turn it off, and let's jump into the third one, which is the one-handed mode. You need to turn it on, and now when we slide on the navigation bar, the one-handed mode will load. Let's try it. As you can see, it works. And on the other side too. Okay, now let's see the fourth feature. Let's go to security and location. Here we need to find the smart lock. Let's confirm the pattern. And now on the smart lock, here we have some useful features like on body detection. For example, we can add the trusted places, trusted devices, and match the voice with the Google Assistant. Okay, let's go back, and now the last one is do not disturb preferences. Let's go back and let's tap on sound. Here we have the do not disturb preferences, and for example we can set some rules, schedule, make some exceptions or the priorities. Okay, let's go back. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like under the video.